Welcome back. Today's topic is graphical notation for PDA. As we know, the mathematical definition or formal definition for PDA is M equals to Q sigma stack alphabet transition Q naught Z naught comma F. In finite automata, if you represent transitions as the diagram is called as the transition diagram. Similarly, if you represent all transitions of your push down automata as the diagram, that diagram is called as the graphical notation for PDA. How we can construct the graphical notation is, as you know, it contains some circles. So circles represents the states of the push down automata. Then this edges represents the transitions of the push down automata. Initial state is always pointed by arrow label with start, and final state is represented like double circles. I am taking it is Q1 and it is the QF. So here I can write the transition like input symbol is A, top of the stack is Z0 slash. If I push A onto the stack means how I can represent is A Z0. Let's take one example of transitions, then draw the graphical notation so that we can understand. Consider this is the example. Draw graphical notation for the following push down automata moves, like push down automata transitions. Transition of Q0 A comma Z0 equals to Q0 A Z0, meaning that it is the, you can understand clearly, it is the push operation. Then transition of Q0 A comma A, input symbol is A, top of the stack is A, Q0 comma A, it is also push operation on the stack. Then Q0 B comma A equals to Q1 comma epsilon. So we are removing element from the stack, meaning that it is the pop operation. Then changing state. Then Q1 comma B comma A equals to Q1 comma epsilon. So this is also example for pop operation without changing state. Then transition of Q1 epsilon comma Z0 equals to QF comma Z0. So this is example for moving to the final state, no operation. Now draw the graphical notation for all these transitions. Is, you see, states is Q0, Q1 and QF only. So final state represented by double circle, starting state is represented with the arrow. Take the first transition, Q0, input symbol is A, top of the stack is Z0. So how we can write this transition is, that is remains in the same state. So it is the self state, like input symbol is A, yes, top of the stack is Z0, then slash. So on present state is Q0, input symbol is A, top of the stack is Z0, that is equals to remains in the same state Q0 by adding element A onto the stack, meaning that push operation. How we can represent this? It is A Z0. Then take next transition. State is Q0, input symbol is A, top of the stack is A, remains in the same state Q0 by adding element onto the stack. So how we can write this is, so Q0, yes, with input symbol is A, then top of the stack is A. So we are adding element A onto the stack. Now if you add means top of the stack is A, input symbol is A, add input symbol onto the stack means A. This is how we can draw the transitions in the graphical notation. Then take the next transition, Q0, input symbol is B, top of the stack is A. We are moving to the next state Q1 by removing element from the stack. So after removing, we are representing there is element is epsilon only. So how we can return it is, there is a transition from Q0 to Q1 because state is changing from Q0 to Q1. Input symbol is B, top of the stack is A slash. So we are removing element from the stack. After removing, what is there? Epsilon. So write epsilon. Then take next transition, Q1 with input symbol is B, top of the stack is A, remains in the same state by removing element from the stack. What is element? A, removing A from the stack so that it is epsilon. So how we can return? So Q1 to Q1. So it is the self state. Input symbol is B, top of the stack is A, removing element from the stack so that it is epsilon. Then take the next transition. State is Q1, changing from Q1 to QF. Input symbol is epsilon, top of the stack is Z0. So again, top of the stack is Z0, meaning that without changing the content of the stack, it is no operation. How we can written it as Q1 to QF because it is changing state. Then input symbol is epsilon, top of the stack is Z0. Then we are doing no operation, not a push operation, not a pop operation. So top of the stack is Z0. That's why remains Z0 on the stack. So it is Z0. So this is how we can construct the graphical notation for PDA.